Relationships between retailers and manufacturers for custom manufactured rugs are fragmented and disjointed. This includes custom orders, back orders, or even stock orders for in-house inventory. There is no clear visibility or simple communication that ensures the desired result. Retailers tend to constantly email these vendors, asking for updates, time estimates, pictures, and even videos of the rug on the loom. Not to mention, a single retailer may have hundreds of different manufacturing projects to juggle at once. If this is you, then you likely have a lack of trust and confidence that products will be delivered on time. 82% of custom manufactured orders miss their delivery deadline. 58% of them, at time of arrival, are not what they were supposed to be. 34% end up manufactured a second time due to mistakes, and 22% get canceled due to frustration between retailers and manufacturers. That's a huge loss of time, money, and overall resources. Welcome to the Opportunity Zone. Imagine a tool that can streamline this fragmented process. Introducing Loom Report, a new centralized and standardized system that sits between you and your vendors to help you keep a close eye on the manufacturing process. Now, the entire collaboration comes together into one easy-to-use platform, eliminating the need to dig through your emails or nag your vendors for regular status updates. The Loom Report is a brand new website which you can find at loomreport.com. As a retailer, you can log in to submit new orders and check order status, and your vendors can also log in from their end to view your orders and provide regular status updates for you. Work with many vendors? No problem. You can get them all on board with the Loom Report and agree together for them to give you regular status updates. Each of your vendors can create their own account to access the Loom Report, and your orders are immediately visible to them. Even better, you can send orders to the Loom Report directly from within your Rmpro software. The Loom Report supports 3 types of orders: custom orders, back orders, or stock orders for your own inventory. In any case, you can submit any unreceived inventory item from your Rmpro to the Loom Report to send it to your vendor and start tracking the manufacturing process. In Rmpro, you can do this from either a purchase order or a custom order, which includes any notes and attachments you have associated with them. Vendors can provide their reference number for tracking, the ETA or estimated time of arrival, and their % done. You can also both communicate back and forth by adding notes and attachments along the way. More importantly, vendors will update the current step of the manufacturing process, where you can immediately see on your end. Since custom rugs may take months to produce, it's important that you keep up to date with the current progress and estimated delivery time. The Loom Report follows a simple workflow from start to finish, allowing you to quickly check the progress of all your custom manufactured products. You also need to be sure that the product being manufactured looks as it should, so you may require your vendors to attach images or videos of the rug on its loom. This way you can visually see the rug's progress over time and verify that it's coming out exactly as it needs to. No more guesswork when it comes to tracking custom rug production. Just log into the Loom Report and check the latest status and details from your vendor. Further, you can check item status directly from within Rmpro. Communicating with your custom rug manufacturers is now streamlined and seamlessly integrated with your Rmpro. So what are you waiting for? Contact RM Innovation today and get started with the Loom Report, a real-time report on your production progress.